Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings and tap the display section. Click the wallpaper, and you could use for wallpaper from your device gallery, from your you could to use photos from the gallery or download it from the internet, or to use the default wallpapers. Tap on the left upper corner to set wallpaper, tap the lock screen, and that's it. So let's check. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Hold for a while first home screen with your finger, tap the wallpapers and select wallpapers, for example just once. Use one from the wallpapers, tap the OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.